Hello everyone, how are you all doing?
Yeah, we are doing good.
Great to hear that. Are you all ready to start providing updates on your tasks?
Yes, we can start.
Awesome. Let's begin with you, Vineet Patel. What is the status of task Scrum 4?
It is completed.
Has task Scrum 4 been properly tested, and are there any bugs?
Yes, it is properly tested and no bugs are there.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and update the status of task Scrum 4 in Jira. Updated status of task Scrum 4 to done.
Thanks. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's move on to the next task. Chetan Narkete, what is the status of task Scrum 8?
Yeah, it is almost completed.
That's good to hear. Can you confirm if task Scrum 8 has been properly tested and if there are any bugs?
Yeah, it is properly tested. There is just one minor issue of character encoding. Can you ask tester to overlook that for now?
Got it. I'll add a comment to task Scrum 8 to inform the QA team to overlook the minor character encoding issue for now. Comment added on Scrum 8.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's check in with Mohit Shivhare. What is the status of task Scrum 6?
So I have dependency on the design team. I haven't got the design set. So can you ask one of the team member to provide me the designs?
Sure. I'll reach out to Yashraj Jarande to request the designs for you. Comment added on Scrum 10.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's move on to Amaya Soman. What is the status of task Scrum 3?
It is in progress.
Thanks for the update. Can you let me know if you are facing any issues or if you need assistance with task Scrum 3?
No, I am not facing any issues, but actually I see that my ticket hasn't been moved to in progress. I forgot to move that. Could you please move it for me?
I'll update the status of task Scrum 3 to in progress for you. Updated status of task Scrum 3 to in progress.
That's great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Now let's check in with Yashraj Jarandi. What is the status of task Scrum 10?
Actually, Yashraj is on sick leave today.
Thanks for the update. Since Yashraj is on sick leave, I'll note that and move on to Shreya Bengal. What is the status of task Scrum 11?